Hello, in this tutorial, we'll walk through the Ollama User Interface, which makes working with large language models simple and intuitive. Welcome. When you first open Ollama UI, the layout feels very familiar. It's similar to popular AI chat interfaces. On the top of the left sidebar, you'll find two key options, New Chat and Settings. The Settings panel gives you useful information, such as the location where your models are installed. Just below, in the sidebar, you'll see a list of your chat history. Each past conversation is saved here, so you can easily return to it later. This clean and organized layout makes it simple to focus on your conversations. To begin a new conversation, simply click New Chat in the sidebar. In the main text area, type your prompt just like you would in a chat window. For example, you could type a greeting like hello. This is the core of Ollama UI. It's built around straightforward prompting, making interaction with models easy and natural. At the bottom right corner of the prompt area, you will see a drop-down menu. This lets you choose which model you want to use for your chat session. The full list of available models is shown in the model library on Ollama's official website at ollama.com/library. For example, let's select the model Gemma 3 1B. If this model isn't already installed on your machine, Ollama will automatically start downloading it. Keep in mind the download may take some time depending on your internet speed, and you'll need an active internet connection to complete it. Once the download is complete, Ollama will immediately use the selected model to generate a response. In our example, after downloading Gemma 3 1B, the system responds to our prompt hello. From this point onward, you can type any prompt you like, and the Gemma 3 1B model will continue generating responses. This flow, select a model, download if needed. Then prompt and get responses is how you'll use Ollama UI for all your interactions. And that's it. You now know how to navigate the Ollama user interface. The UI is designed to make large language models approachable and easy to use, whether you're experimenting, learning, or building AI-driven workflows. Thank you for watching and keep continuing to explore, prompt, and create with Ollama.